some 49 Rotarian delegates helped draft the United Nations Charter in 1945.
Be part of the United Nations this year. What is MUNA? The Rotary Model United Nations Assembly attempts to reproduce the actual United Nations, with the Secretary-General and high school students representing as many as 30 or 40 countries from all over the world. A team of 2 students from Year 11 represent a country and debate a total of around 10 resolutions based on real current world issues. Resolutions fit into 3 United Nations categories: human rights and health, social, economic and environmental, peace and security. What do you have to do at MUNA? You have fun and come prepared to debate each resolution on the list from the point of view of your assigned country. Remember to dress in the traditional clothing of that country and be creative. What do you learn from MUNA? MUNA helps you learn about the United Nations and how it works, develop your public speaking and debating skills, see the world through the eyes of another country, learn about current world issues, all the while enjoying a fun weekend and making lots of new friends. When and where is MUNA? MUNA is held in the Legislative Chamber of Parliament House, right here in Melbourne. It lasts for 2 full days, which includes morning and afternoon tea for students, as well as lunch in the Parliament members' dining room, a tour of Parliament House, and about 6 sessions of debate. Prizes will be awarded for Best Debating Teams, Best Costumes, Most Popular Team. The winners of the Best Debating Teams awards will go to Canberra to compete in a national MUNA. So what should you do? Be in the picture. For more information about MUNA or how to be involved, look up the Rotary District 9810 website and search for MUNA, or get in touch with your local Rotary Club. And good luck!